welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another resin video. I've got an older piece that I wanted to do a top coat on because I really thought it would bring out the colors and the depth of the piece. So let's get on and do that in this video. So I've made up some resin. It's the laminating resin from Sam that I was gifted. And you're in my little tent and I'm going to resin this piece. So I'm just going to pour it on. And spread it out. I'm gonna lightly coat the sides. Just give it a little torch. So what I'm doing is just looking from the sides, using the window to see if I got anything in it. You want to be careful not to over torch it. And there you go. Now we're going to cover it up and let it set up. So here's the piece with the resin. It's really nice and shiny. It gives so much depth to the piece. It's hard to capture it on camera. In real life, it's alive. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm really happy how this resin worked out. So thank you for Silicones and More for gifting it to me. I'll be using it more often. The result is really nice. So thank you for watching and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye everyone!